Using Booking.com gift cards is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card and enjoy your travel bookings. Step 1. Create or log into your account. Visit the Booking.com website or app. If you already have an account, log in with your credentials. If not, create a new account by providing the required information. Step 2. Search for your desired accommodation. Once logged in, enter your travel destination, check-in and check-out dates, and the number of guests. Click on the search button to find available accommodations. Step 3. Select your accommodation. Browse through the list of available options and select the accommodation that best suits your needs. Click on it to view more details and confirm your choice. Step 4. Enter your gift card code. On the booking page, you will see a section to enter a promo code or gift card code. Input your gift card code in the designated field and apply it to your booking. Step 5. Complete your booking. After applying the gift card, review the total price and ensure the discount has been applied. Proceed to enter your payment details and finalize your booking. Enjoy your stay and make the most of your travel experience.